everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the battery in a Logitech mouse. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a Logitech wireless mouse, and this specific mouse is the Logitech M720. As you can see right there, this is the M720. But whether you have the M720 like this or any other type of Logitech mouse, you can change the battery really easily, okay? What you want to do is very, very simple. So once again, this is the Logitech M720, as you can see right here. This actually came with a keyboard and mouse combo, which is the Logitech Performance MK850. And this is just the mouse portion of it, okay? But whether you have this mouse or any other type of Logitech wireless mouse, it's really, really easy to do. Let's keep this short and sweet, okay? So essentially, what you want to do is flip it over. So from here, you want to flip it over, and on the underside, you're going to look for a removable compartment. Now, the giveaway the giveaway with regards to which side will be removable is going to be some sort of like indentation or like some ridges on it, because that will tell you which part can be pulled off. So essentially, I'm going to slide this off, as you can see right here, just like that. And you have a battery right there. So to change the battery in the wireless mouse, you simply want to remove that old battery. So just pop it out like that. Okay, there's more than likely only going to be one battery in it. And then get a new battery. This one's totally fine, so I'm going to leave it in there. Get a new battery and put it back in like that. Make sure, obviously, the battery's in there in the right orientation, and put your cover back on. And there you have it. You've changed the battery in your Logitech wireless mouse. And hopefully your mouse will work once again if you were having a low battery problem. And that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial video. I tried to keep it short and sweet. If you like this instructional video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.